Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cool kitchen item. Now this is a barbecue prep tub, collapsible, and it has so many different things that you can do with it. It has a lid for storage that just locks on, and your first layer, you actually have a cutting board. You pull it up a little bit, and you can have like a nice little shallow tub, whatever you're doing there, or you can pull it up to its maximum setting, and you have a whole bath. So if you're gonna wash anything, you can easily just put your items in there, wash it up, hold all the water, get everything cleaned out. Whenever you're done, you've got this nice little drainage right here to be able to get all of that water out, so you don't have to do anything else. You just open that up and get it drained out. Then whenever you're ready to cut it up or do any sort of marinating, you can easily just use this, collapse it down, and then you've got yourself a cutting board. So that is so nice that you can just cut right on the same thing that you are then gonna store it in. Because once you have everything cut, you can easily just take this 4.22 gallon liter thing, put it in here, store it, whether you need to put it in the refrigerator for marinating, put your meats in there. Everything is all nice. You've got nice handles on the sides. It is fantastic. Love how it's got this little drain hole in here. So after you did get done, you can easily drain it out. I mean, it's got nice things at the bottom for little non-slip grips on there. This is a nice all-around kitchen tool that can be used whether you're barbecuing, maybe putting some beer in here and putting it over ice, or just using it as a nice cutting board.